Starting a mobile toilet rental business can be a lucrative venture, especially in areas where there's a demand for portable sanitation facilities at events, construction sites, outdoor gatherings, and other locations without easy access to permanent restrooms. Here's a basic outline to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the local demand for mobile toilet rental services. Identify your target market, such as event organizers, construction companies, festival organizers, and more. 2. Business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, financial projections, and operational details. 3. Legal and regulatory requirements. Register your business, obtain any necessary licenses or permits, and comply with local health and sanitation regulations. Fleet selection. Choose the types of portable toilets you want to offer, such as standard portable toilets, luxury restroom trailers, ADA-compliant units, hand-washing stations, etc. Supplier selection. Find reliable suppliers for your portable toilets and related equipment. Consider factors such as price, quality, and delivery options. Pricing strategy. Determine how you will price your rental units. Factors to consider include the type of unit, duration of rental, location, and market rates. Marketing and branding. Create a strong brand identity and develop marketing materials such as a website, brochures, and business cards. Use online and offline marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Delivery, setup, and maintenance. Have a plan for delivering, setting up, and maintaining your rental units. Proper cleanliness and maintenance are crucial for customer satisfaction. Customer services. Offer excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Respond promptly to inquiries, address any issues, and ensure a smooth rental experience. Insurance. Secure appropriate business insurance to protect yourself from liability, damage, or accidents. Sustainability considerations. Consider environmentally friendly options such as using eco-friendly chemicals, water-saving technologies, and waste disposal methods that minimize environmental impact. Scaling and growth. As your business grows, consider expanding your fleet, offering additional services, like waste pumping, and exploring new markets. Starting a mobile toilet rental business can offer several advantages for entrepreneurs looking to enter the market. Here are some of the key advantages. Growing demand. The demand for portable toilet rentals is consistent and can even grow during peak event seasons, festivals, construction projects, and outdoor gatherings. This demand can provide a steady stream of revenue for your business. Recurring revenue. Many events and construction projects require portable toilets for extended periods. This can lead to recurring rental income as clients often need units for days, weeks, or even months. Limited competition. Depending on your location, there might be limited competition in the mobile toilet rental market, allowing you to establish yourself as a key player in the industry. Profit margins. Portable toilet rental businesses often have attractive profit margins due to relatively low operating costs once the initial investment in equipment is made. Variety of events. Portable toilets are needed at a wide range of events, from weddings and outdoor parties to music festivals and sporting events. This diversity in clientele can provide various revenue streams. Flexibility. You can tailor your services to meet the needs of different events and clients. Offering various types of units, such as luxury restrooms for upscale events or ADA-compliant units for accessibility, allows you to cater to different markets. Scalability. As your business grows and you acquire more units, you can easily scale up your operations to accommodate larger events and more clients. Seasonal opportunities. While demand may fluctuate, there are often opportunities to provide services at different types of events throughout the year. This can help balance out seasonal variations in demand. Niche services. You can specialize in specific niches within the industry, such as providing luxury restroom trailers for high-end events or focusing on eco-friendly and sustainable options. Long-term relationships. Establishing a good reputation and providing excellent service can lead to repeat business and long-term relationships with event organizers, contractors, and other clients. Community impact. Providing clean and sanitary restroom facilities at events and construction sites contributes to public health and sanitation, making a positive impact on the community. Branding opportunities. Your mobile toilets can serve as mobile advertisements for your business. Proper branding and signage can help increase your visibility and attract potential clients. Barriers to entry. Due to the specific equipment and knowledge required, there can be barriers to entry for competitors, helping you maintain your market position. Starting a mobile toilet rental business requires careful planning, investment, and dedication. However, the advantages of a steady demand, recurring revenue, and potential for growth make it an appealing business opportunity for those willing to meet the needs of clients in various settings.